Ever wonder why managers spend so much time chasing updates? Not because work isn't happening, because they can't see it. So the day quickly turns into, hey, what's the status on that task? Did the client project get finished? Can someone send me an update? The messages keep coming, and it's not because the team is unproductive, but because work is scattered across chats, meetings, spreadsheets, and different tools. Instead of leading the team, managers end up chasing information. And that's exactly where Tivazo comes in. It starts with the live dashboard. Managers can see team activity as it happens, all from one place. And with Tivazo, the screenshot feature can be enabled or disabled based on your team's preferences. Then there's productivity insights. Instead of guessing who's productive, managers can see work patterns, focus time, and productivity trends backed by real data. As teams grow, teams and groups make it easier to organize departments, projects, and employees, giving managers a clearer view of performance across the organization. And when it's time to review work hours, Tivazo automatically turns track time into accurate, approval-ready timesheets so everything stays connected. No more chasing updates, no more guesswork. Just the clarity teams need to stay aligned and productive. Ready to see what your team is really capable of? Try Tivazo today.